Alright, as you can see, we've got our materials laid out. I'm going to put on my last finger cot here, just to protect the lens from any fingerprints, so I'm not going to get any fingerprints on my lens as I'm cleaning. Again, we'll go from easiest to hardest. We'll spritz our lens there, just using short control bursts to keep from getting any condensation on the lens. I'll go ahead and spritz this one as well. Usually that will remove a lot of dirt. If there is any dirt that is not coming off, we'll go ahead and we'll use our brush. Again, just to get any surface dust or dirt off of the lens. Again, without touching it, we're going to use our finger cots. Now if that doesn't work, this won't work against fingerprints. So now we've got some fingerprints on this lens. So we're going to have to use a method that we call drag and drop. What we're going to do is we're going to take a tissue and we'll use our cleaning solution. So we're going to place our tissue on top of the polarized lens here. Very fragile. We can't go around manhandling them. We're going to use our cleaning solution. Oh, look at that. Now we see how the lens is stuck to that top one. I'm going to lift this up here so you can see it. And we're just going to drag that drop along the surface of that lens. And you can see it. As it drags, it will move that cleaning solution all over the lens without having to rub it. This will remove a lot of fingerprints.